So friends, after the renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, renders for the Galaxy S25 has surfaced. Thanks to one leak, this shows the phone with family of flat sides and adds texture rings for the camera. The phone is set to feature 6.2-inch screen with similar bezels, but it doesn't show much in the renders. The phone is set to measure 146.9 into 70.4 into 7.2 mm, making it slightly smaller and about 0.4 mm thinner than the Galaxy S24. And it is still not clear if the company will use Exynos SoC for the S25 and S25 Plus models in select countries like the last time. Since the rumors are contradictory, it is expected to feature 12GB of RAM up from 8GB in the predecessor. The Galaxy S25 is expected to retain a 50MP rear camera and a 12MP front camera, and the phone is also set to retain the 4000 mAh battery and stick to 25W fast charging. Based on earlier rumors, it should run Android 15 out of the box with One UI 7 bringing several new features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is expected to be introduced in sometime in January 2025. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.